everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Raid Shadow Legends profile picture. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your Raid Shadow Legends profile picture is easy. First, start off your game and end up in this main page. From the main home page, tap on the hero avatar at the top left. Now, tap on Player Info. Tap the pencil and pepper icon right under your profile picture at the top left and select the avatars you'd like to use or change to. After you are done, tap on Confirm and you've successfully changed your profile picture or your avatar on Raid Shadow Legends. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.